video, we are going to check what is going to be our 19th example under VBA for beginners. So this particular code 19th example is here. You can just see here. That means from range B1 dot value, whatever is there is going to be assigned for A1. So whatever is there in B1, the same thing is going to be pasted in A1. Okay. So I'll just copy this code and then putting it here in our VB editor here. And I'm just copying this comment line here and pasting it here and pressing it enter here. So this is going to be our example number 19 and B1 dot value equal to A1 dot. So whatever is required, this is whatever is there in B1. Okay, we'll just go to the Excel sheet and I'll explain here. So this particular sheet 4, sheet 5, I'm creating this thing. So B1 value is going to be equal from A1 value. Okay. So in A1, what is there? I'll type name. So same thing is going to come in B1. So the code for that is range B1 dot value equal to range A1 dot value. Right? We will just execute and see here. Now in B1 it is copied from A1 and put it here. So I would like to now put here range D8 equal to range B5. Okay. So this is going to come here like this. So whatever I'm just going to put it here, Prabhakar. Okay. So now B5, whatever is available, which is going to be pasted in D8. So for that, what you have to do here is copy this command and paste it here. So my D8 value, which is equal to B5. Okay. So D8, this is the place where we are going to get the value from B5. So here we are going to get Prabhakar here. At the same time, I'll change it here. Value. Now, value in B1 is going to be changed to whatever is available in A. I'll just put it here something else. Calculate. Okay. So B1 is going to be calculate and D8 is going to be Prabhakar. Shall we check this now? Run it and see this. Yes. So B1 has been changed to calculate, whereas this I'll make it in blue color. Both the places. So both the blue color places has been replaced with the values from the other yellow color places. Okay, respective yellow color places. So this is how the copy command is being used, whereas copy, that word itself is not there. In VBA, you should know that there is a command called copy also, which I will explain later. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.